Hi students, again I came with one more question. So that is, write the test statistic for testing the mean of a population in large sample test. When the population standard deviation, ST stands for what? Standard deviation. So here they have given two cases. The first one is sigma is known and the second is sigma is unknown. Sigma stands for what? Population standard deviation. So let me say that what is large sample and what is small sample. So large sample is nothing but if n value greater than 30. If we are having the sample observations greater than 30, that turns to large sample. If we are having less than or equals to 30, it is a small sample. Okay, so now they are asking only the test statistic. Test statistic is nothing but only the formula they are asking. They are not asking the test procedure. So only I am going to tell you about the test statistic. Okay, so it is the fourth step in test procedure. Okay, so let us see what it is. So first I am going to tell you case 1. Case 1 is nothing but what it is. Sigma is known. So sigma is known. We are going to take this case. So first we have to write what it is and what are the variables we are going to take. All those we have to write first. Okay, see here. When population standard deviation is known, the test statistic used is the z-test. Why we have to use z-test? Why? Because here they have given large sample. So when we are going to test the large sample, at the time z-test we have to use. Z-test is nothing but it is a normal distribution. Okay, yeah, z-test. The test statistic of z is given by z equals to mod of x bar minus mu by sigma by root n. So this is our test statistic. Okay, in order to test the population mean. Okay, yeah. So where x bar equals to sample mean, mu equals to population mean, next sigma equals to population standard deviation, next n equals to sample size. Okay, so this is about what? When standard deviation, that means sigma is known. Okay, next case 2. Sigma is unknown. Okay, yeah, let me tell you. The same we have to write. When population standard deviation is unknown, okay, is unknown, the test statistic used is z-test. Okay, the test statistic of z is given by what? Z equals to x bar minus mu by s by root n. Okay, so this is the formula where x bar equals to sample mean, mu equals to population mean, sigma equals to, here sigma is not there, sorry, yes, S equals to sample standard deviation, okay, n equals to sample size, okay. So these are the two cases when sigma is known, when sigma is unknown, okay. So let me tell one more procedure, that is nothing but second case, okay. Second case we are going to take, that is sigma is unknown. When sigma is unknown, here we can use t-test also. Why we have to use t-test instead of z-test? Okay, I'll tell you at last. See here, again, same we have to write. See, when the population standard deviation is unknown, the test statistic used is the t-test, student t-test, okay, t-test, okay. So the test statistic is given by t equals to mod of x bar minus mu by s by root n, okay. See, if you observe here, the formula is same, okay. These both formulas are same, but the test is different. Here we use z test, here we use t test, okay. So where x bar equals to sample mean, mu equals to population mean, s equals to sample standard deviation, n equals to sample size, okay. Yeah, there may be a question in your minds. So t-test is for small sample, that means n less than 30. Then why we use here t-test when they gave that large sample test? So why we have to use in the sense? So here one point I'm going to tell you is t-test and z-test will give similar answer for us. As we all know that statistics is nothing but it is an approximation value, not an exact value. Yes, no? So that's why you take one example and you see, you perform this both the formulas, you will get the same result, okay. So when you have to remember one thing, when population standard deviation is unknown, though it is large sample, we can use t-test, okay. If you use this one also, nothing happens, okay. When population standard deviation is not given, you can use this one also. Why? Because at the time they may give sample standard deviation, that means s value, okay. So you can perform either this one, that means t-test, or else z-test. There is nothing change in the result, okay. Conclusion will be the same for us, okay. Hope you all understand, and if you like the video, please click on the like symbol, share, subscribe, okay. and comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.